Hello, in these video tutorials, I'll show you how to create a folder and upload file in it in Google Drive accounts. So click on Chrome, then I log in to my Drive portal, my email and password. Already logging onto my Google Drive portal. This is the portal. So to create a folder, you right click an empty space, then click on New to create a folder, or you can expand by clicking on My Drive and choose Folder, create folder, or you can click New, then choose folder. You create the folder that you want. Creating the folder, type the folder name, that's file. This is the folder that I'll upload all my files and folder in my computer. To upload my computer, my Google Drive, open file folder, then I click file upload, or and click folder upload to upload files that I need to upload. Click on file upload. I choose the file that I want to upload onto my Google Drive. I can also click folder upload to upload folder on my computer that contains files to my Google Drive accounts. This is the folder that's a PDF folder that contains files. I click upload to upload files folder my Google Drive accounts. I have created the folder, upload my Drive account. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to receive an